You talked about there's not a limited pie that we have to cut up and share. This question says, how do you reconcile our Earth having limited resources with the pie being unlimited?
When I was a kid, there used to be a belief that the world was going to run out of food if we reached, I think it was 4 billion people at the time when it was young, right? And that we wouldn't have enough food on the earth to feed everybody. Well, we're at 8 billion and counting right now. And there's not a problem with enough food, there's a problem with distribution. And what we need to manifest in this world, in my belief system, is a more equitable system for distribution of the earth's abundance. And the earth and the universe are always showering stuff upon us. The sun is not part of earth, but we certainly are the beneficiary of the sun's energy and light and radiance and gravity that holds all of this together. And in the infinite universe, in an infinite world, and with letting go of limitation and lack, we can create the systems that support every being, human and other being on the planet. And that's how I reconcile that.
Okay.